Welcome to Certification Terminal, your ultimate destination for all certifications. As part of this series, we are going to cover a few Microsoft AI 900 certification practice questions. Let's hop in. Which AI workload is recommended for developing a recycling machine that can automatically distinguish bottles of the correct shape from other items? Option A, Anomaly detection. Option B, Conversational AI. Option C, Natural language processing. Option D, Computer vision. The correct answer is Option D, Computer vision. Computer vision is a branch of artificial intelligence concerned with enabling computers to interpret and understand visual information from the real world, such as images and videos. It encompasses techniques for processing, analyzing, and extracting meaningful insights from visual data. In the context of developing a recycling machine that can automatically distinguish bottles of the correct shape from other items, computer vision is the most suitable AI workload. Computer vision algorithms can be trained to recognize specific shapes, including the distinctive shape of bottles. Computer vision techniques, such as object detection algorithms, allow machines to locate and identify objects within images or video frames. Computer vision models can also perform image classification tasks, where they categorize objects into different classes or categories based on their visual features. Computer vision algorithms can process visual data in real time, allowing the recycling machine to quickly analyze images or video streams and make decisions on whether detected objects are bottles or other items. Next question. A bank wishes to use anomaly detector to monitor unexpected network traffic. Does the bank's concern about data storage reflect potential risks associated with implementing anomaly detector for monitoring unexpected network traffic? Option A, yes, anomaly detector stores customer data. Option B, yes, banks are in a highly regulated industry. Option C, no, anomaly detector uses PCI-compliant encryption to store data. Option D, no, anomaly detector does not store customer data. The correct answer is Option D, no, anomaly detector does not store customer data. An anomaly detector is a tool or system designed to identify unusual patterns or behaviors within a dataset that deviate from expected norms. These anomalies could indicate potential security threats, system failures, or other irregularities that warrant further investigation. The primary function of an anomaly detector is to analyze data in real time or in batches, detect outliers or anomalies, and alert stakeholders or trigger automated responses based on predefined rules or thresholds. They operate on data without necessarily storing the data itself. The primary goal of an anomaly detector is to provide actionable insights based on the analysis of data. Next question. What capabilities does language modeling possess for determining information? Option A, the author of a text. Option B, emotion in a text statement. Option C, the publication date of a text. Option D, the intent behind a text statement. The correct answer is Option D, the intent behind a text statement. Language models are adept at understanding the underlying purpose or intention behind a given text statement. Through natural language processing techniques such as sentiment analysis, topic modeling, and contextual understanding, language models can infer the goals, motives, or objectives conveyed in a text. For example, they can determine whether a statement is meant to inform, persuade, entertain, or inquire. Understanding the intent behind a text statement is crucial for various applications such as chatbots, sentiment analysis tools, and recommendation systems, as it helps tailor responses or actions accordingly. Next question. During our charity event, we will be taking photos and tweeting them. To ensure only photos with sunglasses are retweeted, which image analysis technique should we use? You must ensure that only photos that meet the following requirements are retweeted. One or more faces are shown. One or more people wearing sunglasses are shown in the photo. Option A. Detect operation for face service. Option B. Verify operation for face service. Option C. Describe image operation for computer vision service. Option D. Analyze image operation in computer vision service. The correct answer is Option A. Detect operation for face service. The detect operation for face service refers to a feature or function provided by a facial recognition or face detection service. The main purpose of the detect operation is to identify and locate human faces within an image or video. It analyzes the input data using algorithms trained to recognize facial features such as eyes, nose, mouth, and face contours. Along with detecting faces, the detect operation may also extract key facial attributes or landmarks from each detected face. The detect operation is typically capable of detecting multiple faces within a single image or frame. Next question. Which two AI services are recommended for reducing the workload on telephone operators by implementing a chatbot to provide predefined answers to simple questions? Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A. Q&A Maker. Option B. Azure Bot Service. Option C. Translator. Option D. Text Analytics. The correct answers are Option A. Q&A Maker. Option B. Azure Bot Service. Q&A Maker is a Microsoft Azure service specifically designed for creating question and answer systems, making it an ideal choice for implementing a chatbot to provide predefined answers. It allows users to input frequently asked questions and their corresponding answers, which the chatbot can then access to respond to user queries. Q&A Maker employs natural language processing techniques to understand and interpret user questions, matching them to the most appropriate answers from the knowledge base. This service enables organizations to easily build and maintain chatbots capable of handling common inquiries without the need for extensive programming or AI expertise. Azure Bot Service is a comprehensive platform for building, deploying, and managing conversational AI experiences, including chatbots. It provides a range of tools and services to develop chatbots that can interact with users across various channels such as web chat, Microsoft Teams, Slack, and more. Azure Bot Service integrates seamlessly with other Azure services, including Q&A Maker, to enhance bot functionality and intelligence. By leveraging Azure Bot Service, organizations can create sophisticated chatbots capable of understanding natural language, processing user requests, and delivering predefined responses to simple questions. Next question. What are the two standard scenarios supported by the Azure Speech-to-Text service by default? Option A. Recognition. Option B. Pronunciation. Option C. Acoustics. Option D. Conversational. Option E. Dictation. The correct answers are Option D. Conversational. Option E. Dictation. The dictation scenario refers to the process of transcribing spoken words into written text. In this scenario, users typically speak naturally, and the speech-to-text service converts their speech into written text accurately. This scenario is commonly used in applications where users need to input text through speech, such as voice-enabled note-taking apps, speech-to-text dictation software, or virtual assistants that transcribe spoken commands into text. The conversation scenario involves transcribing natural conversations or dialogues between multiple speakers. This scenario is optimized for handling conversational speech, including turn taking, interruptions, and overlapping speech. It is well suited for applications such as voice control assistants, chatbots, or transcription services for meetings, interviews, or customer support interactions. The conversation scenario is designed to accurately capture the flow of dialogue and distinguish between different speakers, enabling seamless communication between humans and machines. Next question. You're building a machine learning model to automatically segment an online store's customers into 5 distinct groups. Which machine learning algorithm is best suited for this task? Option A, K-means clustering. Option B, multiple linear regression. Option C, multi-class neural network. Option D, multi-class logistic regression. The correct answer is Option A, K-means clustering. K-means is an unsupervised learning algorithm specifically designed for clustering data points into a predefined number of groups. This perfectly aligns with your goal of segmenting customers into 5 distinct groups. It works by iteratively minimizing the distance between data points and their assigned cluster centers, ultimately forming distinct groups based on the chosen features. Benefits of K-means clustering for this task are simplicity, efficiency, and interpretability. K-means clustering is relatively easy to understand and implement compared to more complex models. It can handle large data sets of customer data efficiently. The resulting clusters can be analyzed to understand the characteristics of each customer segment. Next question. What is the minimum size of objects that an object detection model cannot detect? Option A, 7% of the image. Option B, 15% of the image. Option C, 3% of the image. Option D, 5% of the image. Option E, 10% of the image. The correct answer is Option D, 5% of the image. While the exact minimum size threshold may vary, depending on specific application requirements and model configurations, setting a threshold of 5% of the image is a conservative estimate that balances between sensitivity to small objects and robustness against false detections. This option provides a reasonable compromise to ensure that the object detection model can effectively identify objects across a wide range of sizes and visual conditions. Next question. Which model typically uses a statistical algorithm to map phonemes to words and predict the most probable sequence of words? Option A, an object model. Option B, an acoustic model. Option C, a speech model. Option D, a language model. The correct answer is Option D, a language model. A language model is a statistical model that is commonly used to predict the probability of a sequence of words. In the context of speech recognition, a language model can be employed to map phonemes, the smallest units of sound in speech, to words and predict the most probable sequence of words based on the input phonemes. Language models learn the likelihood of word sequences based on large corpora of text data and use this knowledge to make predictions about which words are most likely to occur next given the context. This allows the model to generate coherent and contextually relevant transcriptions of spoken language. Language models are an essential component of speech recognition systems as they help improve the accuracy of transcriptions by incorporating linguistic knowledge and context into the decoding process. Next question. You have created a classification model. Below is the confusion matrix for this model. What mathematical expression is utilized to compute the precision value of a model? The correct answer is option E. Precision is a fundamental metric for assessing the effectiveness of a model in correctly identifying positive instances, making it a valuable tool for evaluating binary classification models and ensuring their reliability in real-world applications. Precision is calculated by dividing the number of true positives by the sum of true positives and false positives. It can be interpreted as the probability that a positive prediction made by the model is indeed correct. A high precision value indicates that the model has a low rate of false positives, meaning it is proficient at correctly identifying positive instances. Conversely, a low precision value suggests that the model may be incorrectly classifying a significant portion of negative instances as positive. Next question. Which statement accurately describes the validation set? Option A. A validation set can be used to determine how well a model predicts labels. Option B. A validation set is the same name for the testing set. Option C. A validation set can be used to verify that all the training data was used to train the model. Option D. A validation set includes the set of input examples that will be used to train a model. The correct answer is option A. A validation set can be used to determine how well a model predicts labels. The primary purpose of a validation set is to evaluate the performance of a machine learning model during the training process. The validation set consists of data that is separate from both the training set and the test set. It is used to assess the model's generalization ability and its performance on unseen data. By evaluating the model's predictions on the validation set, we can estimate how well the model will perform on new, unseen data. This allows us to fine-tune model hyperparameters, select the best performing model, and detect issues such as overfitting or underfitting. Next question. An AI firm is building a model for stock trend predictions. Safety and reliability are crucial. Which factor is least important for ensuring model safety in this high-stakes scenario? Option A. Continually monitoring and updating the model post-deployment to maintain its reliability over time. Option B. Training the model on up-to-date and historical data to ensure accurate predictions. Option C. Running robust tests and validation checks on the model before deploying it. Option D. Having a diverse development team with varying perspectives to develop the model. The correct answer is option D. Having a diverse development team with varying perspectives to develop the model. While diversity in the development team is beneficial for fostering innovation, creativity, and different viewpoints, it is the least important factor among the options provided for ensuring model safety in this high-stakes scenario. While diversity can bring valuable insights and perspectives to the development process, it does not directly influence the safety or reliability of the model. Safety and reliability are primarily ensured through rigorous data collection, robust testing, and continuous monitoring and updating, rather than the composition of the development team. While diversity may contribute to a more comprehensive understanding of market dynamics and user needs, it is not a prerequisite for building a safe and reliable model. Next question. Companies often use technology to provide initial customer support. Which solution is best suited for offering automated assistance across various communication channels like email, chat, etc.? Option A. Robot service. Option B. LUI service. Option C. Bot service. Option D. Q&A maker. The correct answer is option C. Bot service. Bots, short for chat bots, are software applications programmed to interact with users via text or speech, providing automated responses to inquiries or performing tasks. Bots are highly versatile and can be deployed across various communication channels such as email, chat, messaging apps, and websites. They can handle a wide range of customer inquiries, from answering frequently asked questions to providing personalized assistance based on user input. Bots are equipped with natural language processing capabilities, enabling them to understand and respond to user queries in a conversational manner. By using a bot service, companies can offer consistent and efficient customer support across multiple channels, improving customer satisfaction and reducing response times. Next question. For each statement below, select yes if the statement is correct. If not, please select no. Does Azure Bot Service facilitate customer engagement through conversational interactions? Option A, a no. Option B, yes. The correct answer is option B, yes. Yes is the correct answer. Azure Bot Service is a cloud-based platform provided by Microsoft Azure for building, deploying, and managing intelligent bots that interact with users through conversational interactions. Azure Bot Service enables developers to create bots that engage customers in natural language conversations. These bots can understand user inputs, interpret intents, extract entities, and generate appropriate responses using techniques such as natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning. Azure Bot Service supports integration with various communication channels, including web chat, Microsoft Teams, Slack, Facebook Messenger, Skype, and more. Azure Bot Service is built on top of the Bot Framework, a comprehensive framework for building conversational AI experiences. Next question. You're using automated machine learning, AutoML, to train a regression model. What primary metric should you prioritize to achieve the highest possible R-square score? Option A. You should enable featureization. Option B. You should set the primary metric to accuracy score. Option C. You should set the primary metric to R-square score. Option D. You should block all algorithms other than gradient boosting. The correct answer is Option C. You should set the primary metric to R-square score. The R-square score is a commonly used metric for evaluating the performance of regression models. It measures the proportion of the variance in the dependent variable that is predictable from the independent variables. A higher R-square score indicates a better fit of the model to the data, with values closer to 1 indicating a stronger relationship between the predictors and the target variable. Setting the primary metric to R-square score allows the automated machine learning algorithm to prioritize models that achieve the highest R2 score, thereby optimizing the model for predictive accuracy in the regression context. Thank you very much for watching. If these questions and answers add value to your preparation, please hit the like button and support us. Let's meet in the next video.